Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I want to show you guys how to make up to 10,000 naira right now as you're watching this video, or let me say after watching this video, things you can put your hands on online and make money. And what are the things you have to do here is just to trade crypto on no one's app. That's all. I've been training you guys on how to make money with no one's app. I've made up to some videos for you guys, and this one is totally different on how to make money with no one's app. I want to walk you through this now, and what you can do to compensate my effort is to give me a like on this video, drop your comment to appreciate me, share this video, and if you're very new to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Doing that will make me happy. And if you're watching me from other social media, make sure you follow my page, give me a like, drop a comment, and share my video. Thank you guys. I want to walk you through this now. Without further ado guys, let's go. The first thing you have to do, you have to sign up with no one's app if you're very new to this, and I will drop the invite link on my comment. I will pin it on my comment, so just click on the link. If you are asked for the invite code, just put this code there, and that is a SDTV. That is my invite code. When successfully sign up, this is the homepage interface. Probably you may see yourself around here. The next thing to do now is to trade and make money. But before you will trade, you have to buy crypto, because you use crypto to make more money. All right, so how are we going to buy crypto? That should be our first assignment now. So come to this trade and click on P2P market. Oh great. Then one more thing, you may not able to use this no one's app on using a browser like this if you don't use VPN. I mean, if you are from Nigeria here, or if your app is restricted, except if you are using the app. If you are using their app, you can use it without even turning on VPN. But if you are using your browser, you may not be able to have access to the website like this. So what you do, as you see me here like this, I turn on my VPN. For you to be sure, come here, look at world.net. Are you seeing Germany here? So it's because I use VPN. Let me show you my extension of VPN. See, I'm using Zemate, and it's connected already. So if you don't have it, it's just so simple. Just go to your browser and type, okay, you can see now VPN extension for Google Chrome browser. So you can click on any one of these, this or this. So just click it and follow the instruction of how to install it. Just so simple guys. So now when you get to this place now, the first thing you have to do is to click on this buy crypto, because you want to buy crypto. This is buy, this is sell. The first thing is to click on buy crypto. And let me warn you guys, please, you have to follow my step. Honestly, if you make a simple mistake like this, right, you may not get the good end result you want. And before you come into my DM complaining, make sure you follow the training or tutorial practically, so that you'll be inputting the right thing. Don't act like I too know. Okay, so let's go again. So now I believe you have clicked on the buy crypto. The next thing to do now is to come to this any currency. Click here. Now select Theta USDT. Now come to this place. You are seeing this place euro. It may not be like this. It may not. You may be seeing like any currency here, possibly. Or don't worry, anything you are seeing there, just click it. Click here now and select Nigerian naira. You know why I'm selecting Nigerian naira? I am from Nigeria. So you in your own country, you select your local country currency there. Okay. For instance, if you are from Ghana, you have to click this. All right. If you are from Philippines, click on Philippine pesos. All right. That will make you to make more money here. Now I'm click on Nigerian naira. The next one is popular payment method. Now click it. Now from here you may see, I'm not sure, new accounts. I don't know how you may be seeing it. You may not see some. I don't know. But we want to click on this bank transfer. But I don't know if this one will come. I see. This is I used recently, right? Let me click on this. Just click it here. Bank transfer. Okay. When you click on bank transfer, there you see it. You see bank transfer. Now click on bank transfer. Just to be sure. Now click on apply selection. Great. Now the next thing is to come here to this more filters. Click here. Now here you are seeing Germany here. That is because of my IP. You know, I'm using VPN. So using my IP now to give me this location. So that's what happened. Now delete this and put your country, Nigeria. Now the next thing is here. Make sure you select this last one here. Price low to high. I want to make more money, so I want to buy cheaper. I want to buy very low. So you have to select this one. The next one is click on this recently active. I want people that are online so that I can buy from immediately. Then you can select this one. Now click on apply. Now waiting for results. Oh great. Now this results. How many people are online? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just okay, 5 people online. So very few people online, right? That's not a problem. At times you will see a lot of people online. Then I still depend on the kind of selection that will determine who is on the bed. This one at times you see a lot of people online. At times you see fewer people online. So that's not a problem. Now the next thing is to filter out these people, because as you're seeing them, at times you may see fraudster here that are here there to scam you. So you have to be very careful. For instance, now this guy's rate is very okay, 1691.25. Now see other people 1699, 17. This guy one is the cheapest one here, so it's good. But before we conclude on buy from this guy, let's check this guy history here about this guy's trade. This guy have 99.9%, which is very great, very great. Another thing is this guy have over 1,356 people that are satisfied with his transaction online, with his business relationship online, and this guy have 0 dislike, which is very good. Another thing that you have to consider is range. This guy is selling minimum of 17,000 naira to 998,355 Nigerian naira. So now check your pocket. How much you want to put in? Do you think your money can fall within the range of this guy? So if you think this guy is good for you, good fit for you to buy from, now click on buy. Good. Now from here now, I will pay. How much do you want to put into this? Me, I want to put 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira will give me the rate of this USDT. Don't forget we are buying USDT. So let's note this down. Well, you know, this this business you have to be mathematically sound. So let's see. So with investment of 100,000 naira, I am getting this worth of USDT, right? This worth of USDT with 100,000 naira. So let's say I have bought this. You know, I didn't mean I have up to that in my account. You will see this green light here, start trade, and then I can click on start trade. All right. Now, but because I don't have up to that, that's why you're not seeing something like this here. Then don't forget to select. This guy have two payment method here. Is it? Do you want to pay to this account? Oh, great. Oh, sorry. It's because I have not selected this. That's why I think when I selected it now, I can start trade. But okay, to buy, which means I will pay to this person's account. So even without having anything in my account, I can still buy. That is not a problem. So when you click on start, I don't want to click on it now. So you can click on it and buy. Let's assume that you have bought this thing now. The next thing now is how are we going to make money? You have this wallet in your account. So how are we going to make money? Now come to this place. You see this trade again. When you get to this trade, you will know when you wanted to buy, we click on P2P market. But this time you are coming to click on this silent pool. Now click on this silent pool. Oh, great. Now from this silent pool now, you want to trade and make money. Now you say, I have. What do you have? Is it Bitcoin? No, it's not Bitcoin. We bought Theta, right? That's what we bought. We bought Theta USDT then. So with Theta USDT now, we want to buy this Bitcoin BTC unknown. You see, I want to buy this Bitcoin BTC unknown. Now the next thing to do now is to click on find offers. Oh, great. Now from here, we are saying this guy, this is plus 1%, this is plus 0.1, sorry, plus 0.5. This one is more favoring, but let me try this guy is 0.5. Now let me give this one trial. Click here, buy. I haven't verified my account. I can't find it. Don't worry. Now let me use this one to trade you. Oh, now I will pay in USDT. How much do I want to pay in USDT? Don't forget we have this amount of USDT we bought. So I'm paying this amount of USDT I have in my account, and I will receive this amount of BTC. You see, this amount of BTC. So I cannot start trade because I don't have this amount. I'm just using this to trade you, right? And I think I need to do verification based on this person, how this person wants it. So here now I'm getting this. That's what we're able to buy BTC. Copy this one and let's go back and note it down here. So we're able to get this amount of BTC right now. So now let's say we now have this amount of BTC. Let me put it at BTC. How are we going to make money now? You don't forget we invested 100,000 naira, right? So let's go back here now and use this to make money. So let's come back here. Come to this trade again. Now click on P2P market again. Now from here, you know, before we selected buy crypto at the beginning where we started, but now we have our crypto we want to sell. So we now click on sell crypto. That's the first thing. Then come to this any cryptocurrency, select BTC. This is what we have. We have BTC now. That is Bitcoin. Now I want this. Now I want to trade in this. Select. Now let me go to Nigerian Naira. Go back to local currency. Now popular payment method. Now click here and let us select. Now you have to select. Click on bank transfer. When click on bank transfer, you're able to get to this place. Now click on bank transfer. Select this again. Now select this button. Apply selection. Good. Now come to these small filters here. Now here click. No, remove this one from Germany. Don't forget. Now put Nigeria. Now click on Nigeria. Now put it here. Price high to low. High because I want to make more money. Then I want people that are active online. Select this also. Now click on apply. Boom. Now look at this guy. This guy rate is very okay. You can see plus 10%. But the range is 30 million to 100 million, which I don't have it. This one range also is 50 million to 100 million. This guy's range is 40 million. This one range is 30,000 to 400,000. I think I can go for this one, which is 5%. It's okay. Now let me click on this guy. Sell for this guy. I will receive. How much will I receive? This is where I will know if I gain or lose. So here now I'm paying in Bitcoin. How much do I want to pay in Bitcoin? So I'm paying 0.0094801. Let me confirm. This is it, right? And I paste it here. Oh, this rate is not good. It's not good. Let me go back and look for another person. So now I want to check another person. The first person I sold to is not profitable. So I check this guy on. Let me check this guy on. Click on this item merchants. Sell for this guy. Let's see. I'm paying to this. Paying this. Oh, 88,000 again. Let me go back. You know why? The currency fluctuates even within seconds, within minutes. It fluctuates. That is it. But if you are very patient, you can make money. The currency fluctuates. That is the challenge. Now let me click on refresh. Currency fluctuation. It will high, it will low. So you have to be reading it. Don't sell when the thing is not favoring you. Make sure you are patient to see when the thing will favor you. Let me try again. Let me sell for this guy. No, it's not going. See 88,000. No, favoring. What will happen now is let me pause this video till when I will see good time to sell this, or let me try this person 6 plus. This guy is 99,000 plus. No, I want more than 100,000 because I invested with 100,000. So you have to be patient. Thank God I'm experiencing this, because if everything worked perfectly before, some of you might be complaining like why this, why that. So the rate has tried. Great. Look at this one now. This is what I'm talking about. So I check for someone's own here now and I put it. Now look at what I'm getting here now. 103,405 naira. So look at this copy. I'm just so happy that I encountered this challenge, so that many of you, when you're doing it, you will be like, and the result I'm getting is different from what you are showing us in your tutorial. Or why this, why that. So you see how I did it with patience. if I get the profitable one. So minus this 100,000 minus, what am I pressing? 100,000 minus 103,000. Let me minus this. So coming to Google calculator now, I want to see my profit. So 103,453.22 minus 100,000 I invested will give me how much profit. Now I'm getting over 3,000 profit, 3,453.22, which means within 3 to 5 minutes I make this amount of money. Now probably within 10 minutes I make this amount of money. So how much more I will make within an hour if I can do this thing repeatedly? So that is what I'm showing you here now. Thank God I faced this challenge, and if I try another one here now, based on this figure I want to sell now, I may see another profitable that will be more than this 3,000, over 3,000 I'm profiting from here now, and I may still see one that will be lesser. All right, so it's just for me to decide if I will sell or not. So you can just take your time. I don't want this video to be longer unnecessarily. Check this place. You can just be checking again to see which one will favor you more, then sell and make your money. So guys, if you are enjoying this channel, enjoy my tutorial, I still have more powerful way of making cool money online to give you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like on this video, and drop your comments. Share this video, guys. Share this video. I will be happy to see you sharing my video. So guys, you see, information is not just power but life. If you can do this thing and within a day, at least you'll be making some little amount of money online quietly on your phone or using your PC. Now the video I want you to go and watch, so in case you don't have knowledge about trading online or maybe crypto, I want you to go and watch this video. I reserved this video for you, this one, and watch this video. And I have many more about crypto I want you to go and learn, because I'm still going to show you many things. Now here is about crypto. Go and watch this, and I reserve these videos for you to go and watch. Thank you. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.